morning. My name is Andrew, and my topic is genetic engineering on animals. Do any of you know what genetic engineering is? No? Well, here's the definition. It's the modification of an organism's genetic composition by being altered, by transferring different genes onto different animals. So, for example, like a goat and a spider. Like, there's an experiment where a goat has a gene to a spider where it can produce silk. I don't know if you guys knew that. And for another example, could be chickens. I bet everyone over here eats chicken, right? No? Yeah. I know you guys like McNuggets and all that. Well, all those McNuggets are genetically engineered. The negatives. There's an article about salmon that have escaped a farm in which they were genetically modified, so that they would be able to produce at a faster rate than usual. But unfortunately, those salmon escaped and are now an invasive species in the ocean. And the negative sides about that is that they are now being able to produce with the native fish, and scientists still don't know.
It's 8:30.
Scientists still don't know whether or not it's safe to eat those salmon. And since they're breeding with the native fish, I don't know what are the outcomes if fish are going to become safe to eat. This will affect the fish industry, fish markets, and fish farms. And now the positives. The human population is growing at a fast rate, and then food is becoming a scarce source, especially meat. Everyone eats meat. And chicken were genetically modified. This is how they used to live before. They were all little small. And now they're big, huge. That's so in order that the human population could still have food, even if it's still growing, such as cows. They look buff now. And an example could be a glow-in-the-dark cat. I don't know if you guys knew about this. At first, scientists put genes inside of a cat in order to make it resistant to FIV, which is feline immunodeficiency virus, which is basically an HIV for cats, and so that they will be able to notice or mark the cells more easily. They added a green protein which makes a cat glow in the dark, which is pretty cool. Who wouldn't want to glow in the dark cat? My thoughts. I believe that genetic engineering is a solution to most of the problems within the human population because of the food scarce and the rate that food is becoming. Genetically engineered animals must be a thing at this point, so that there should be more food. And another thing is, the process is not cruel. What people think that all animals are all caged up inside these laboratories and being tortured. No, it's something simple where the zygote is genetic alteration happens to the zygote before it even enters the sperm or the egg, which is, I think, cruel. If anything, the meat market production is cruel. What other effects has it had? Well, a chihuahua. This is not normal. All dogs used to look like wolves before, and because of genetic engineering, it became a purse pet. Something really small that is not normal. I don't really like chihuahuas. And yeah, people don't make a big deal out of it, but when people hear the topic about farm animals being genetically modified, you hear like protests and everything.